So this is one of my students' Prezis. Um, this is the first time any of my students have ever used anything like this, so it's brand new to them. So here we go. It's on basic shapes. So spelling is off. And then after that part, it goes into where they did not change anything on the Prezi. They just left it all the same. And you can see everything is still the same. So this is a learning experience for all of us to make sure that we know that we delete things that are not needed. But it goes through that the whole thing. All of them are still the same. So that is one of the Prezis that I have.